bread, free bread. Hindi pwede madami kasi hindi tayo, mabubusog tayo tapos yung steak masasayang. Good bread. Butter is may salt. Good din naman. Trying out the dry age USDA prime ribeye steak from Mamu. Oh, tender. Very good. Steak with Mamu sauce. Maliit lang kasi I prefer yung lang talaga, salt and pepper. So, gusto ko lang i-try yung steak sauce nila with the steak. Let's see. Ang sarap din. Mamu, you're one of the best. Ito-try natin without the vinegar, tapos with the vinegar, tapos with the ano ba yan? Chili sauce. Parang siya crispy siya. Yung wrapper is parang lumpia. Tapos yung is, yung laman is okay lang. O-order ba ako ulit nito? No. Pero, okay. Better with Zuka because everything tastes better with Zuka for me. So, humihingi na ako ng sorry ng friends ko kasi nag-video ako so hindi pa sila pwede kumain. Mas gusto ko pa din yung Zuka. Pero lang, I would not recommend. Pero okay lang talaga. Pero hindi siya yung sobrang sarap. Out to my videographer, as in talaga siya. Talaga yung nag-encourage siya na mag-review vlog. Ito is the favorite of the videographer, Lydia. Lorenzo's Pasta. Yung pasta has very good quality talaga. Yung sauce niya, ayun, hindi siya masyadong hindi siya yung type na mauumay ka right away. Kasi medyo on the lighter side siya. Pero masarap naman. Okay lang siya. Parang 8.5 or 10.